Well, I'm sure you can tell what I'm doing now. Putting some, I'm carving little designs in the skull, this cow skull. And what I want to do is, when I get done carving everything, I want to paint it black and then sand off the top of the paint, leaving the carving black underneath. I've seen it done. I've never seen how they do it, but I've seen it done after the fact, but I want to do it myself. There's no reason to do this. It's going to hang up in my shop. I just want to do it. So it's kind of an experiment, but I'll get back into it here. Now it's sanded down a little bit. I guess I'm going to go back to my little designs that I sanded off. So just making this up as I go. Something like that. I don't even remember where I got this. It's just going to be decor. I'm going to hang it up in the shop. I'm not going to do a whole lot. I'm just going to paint it all black, sand it all off, probably do the horns too, black, sand them. I just penciled in some little designs on here. I'm gonna get the dremel back out, carve them out, put some paint on it, and just see how it turns out. We'll see. There we go. I just carved in a bunch of little designs. I'll paint it in just a second, but I noticed little dude here's got some loose teeth. I'm gonna tighten them up a little bit with some Starbond. Use number 100,000. This stuff is good for almost anything. I build cabinets with this stuff. Hold it together while I'm mocking up a cabinet, and it kind of tack welds it into place and lets me move forward. But here I'm gonna Starbond the teeth on here so they're tight. Activate it. Hardens instantly. That one's pretty bad. It's about to come out. Highly recommend this stuff. Use it all over your shop. All kinds of little stuff. Those are good. Squirt the damn thing. A little dark spot will go away. This activator just accelerates the glue and instantly hardens it. You can see now these teeth are hardened. They're in there real tight. Just like that. Now we can paint it. Star Bond. I've never done this before, so I'm just kind of winging it. Always wanted to carve some little designs in a cow skull. See if I can make it look cool. Have some original decor that I did myself. This is basically just Canyon Black satin. This is paint I had left over from another project. Star Bond was kind enough to hook me up with some glue, so I haven't spent any money on this. Easy project. Anybody could do this. Out of paint. Starts a little loud. Power washer going over there. Anyway, I don't want to take all the paint off. Some of it. So we're going to sand on it a little bit. Turned out really cool. It's got a charred look to it. I like it. Couldn't really get all the paint off. But I thought what I'd do now is do like a reverse, leave that all black and engrave a design here and here just to give it a negative look, you know. And then that's it. I'll clear coat it and that'll be it. I'm gonna do the next skull like that, the whole thing. That looks way better than that. Even though that looks really cool, that looks way cooler. We're gonna do that next time, all the way over it.